I'm scrambling around. I'm scrambling. Do to get my watch to see if I'm tripping. I'm like, is it 5 p.m.? Like, did I sleep through my trip? Like, what? And another thing, make sure y'all read, because I'm like, why this thing not lighting up? Why isn't it lighting up? Why is it not lighting up? Because this is not the thermostat, boo. This isn't it. It's over there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know where I left off at, but here we are. I am currently at the train station in Denver waiting on the next train. I have a very short local trip, staying in Colorado, which is great, but I have a really long layover, which is even better. So yeah, the line is not giving. So yeah, I'm just here at the train station. I was feeling really down the past few days. Like, I was just not, it just wasn't giving at all. Like, I was just like, I don't know. But yeah, I guess now that I'm about to go somewhere and get out of my crash pad, I should be a little bit happier. I was gonna take a Pilates class today, but I ended up getting called for this trip. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, whatever you're seeing it. Bye. So pretty.
Are they still not letting people go in?
Right now it's too muddy and too swift. Too many what? Too muddy and swift. It's probably in a few weeks they'll let people go in. I haven't seen any crafting vehicles go in.
Period. Oh man, I wanted to take a bath. Nice. Okay. Sushi and coffee.
Oh shit, I almost forgot. I gotta give a love shout out to my soul sisters. I love you, Mecca, Clarinda, Miss Raquelina Moss and Reggie, Skylar, and her mama Opal. Love you, Black.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm just trying to find the moose. Where's the Miska Mooska? Hello? soaks your drink or whatever. So this was supposed to be a 15-minute walk. Why it turned into 45? Because I was bumping my gum. Anyway, this is the water. If y'all ain't never seen water before. I already started eating, y'all. That drink good too. I'm back at the train station. Anyway, train comes in 5 minutes. Yeah, it's about to rain. Anyway, I have a quick trip today to Wyoming. Quick trip. I'm talking about sleep up again, you know? So yeah, that's what we getting ready to do. And I just want to check in with y'all, let y'all know, you know, I'm ready for work. Hey, my edges is giving bangs. It's time to take these braids out, like. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. I might catch up with y'all at the hotel. Hello, that's my ride.
This is the Denver Airport Station, our final destination. All passengers, please exit the train and make sure you have all of your personal belongings. Thank you for riding RTD Commuter Rail.
Hey y'all, it's 9:00 a.m. I'm over it. My flight was at 4. I lied, it's 7 o'clock. I'm thinking it's 9 o'clock, it's 7 o'clock. I'm so tired. I'm excited to try this. Alright, so I'm making some Cajun shrimp and some zucchini, and I already have like rice and beans in the fridge, so I'm about to eat all that. Look at me, hair blowing in the wind, bundle down, bundle down, bundle down. I'm about to go to work. Bye. Wow, I feel like I'm at home actually. Cute. Yeah. And it's Saturday, child, the kids is outside. sad. Not me though. Good morning, y'all. I love the South. This bed is so comfortable. Anyway, it is almost 9 o'clock now. Yeah, 9 o'clock in the morning. They don't have free breakfast here, which is, it's whatever. Because sometimes the free breakfasts do not be good. Like, I don't like water eggs. Sorry. I don't. But I went downstairs and I still got their breakfast. Let me show y'all. It's just a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich on sourdough. And then I still have my 2 donuts that I bought after the gym yesterday. I also got a cookie butter coffee. It's actually pretty good. I could have a little bit more cookie butter. But I got the biggest size because your girl, I am so tired. After my workout yesterday, I tried to go to sleep, but I had so much energy, child. So much energy. So I couldn't go to sleep. But last night I was watching, what was I watching? Selling Sunset, because they dropped a new season. So I'm watching that until Bridgerton come out. And then after Bridgerton come out, I'm just gonna be watching Sex and the City because Netflix is really not giving me what I need right now. So Sex and the City got a lot of seasons, so I'm gonna have plenty of time to watch all of that. I'm also reading a book. I'm trying to switch it up from the regular horror. Yeah, because Colleen Hoover got me in a chokehold right now. I don't know what's wrong with that lady. Reading a book on anthropology right now. I'm not gonna say the title because I don't really have time for people to be freaking out, but I am reading a Black history book. We'll just say that. I'm about to eat, watch some more of Selling Sunset. Do they even sell houses? Like, what are they doing? Is it just a drama show? I feel like I'm in it for just the drama. I need to wake that up. I'm about to tear this sandwich up because I am starving. When I tell y'all, I bought myself one of those little, you know, y'all saw it, the lunch tray from Sprouts. I'm thinking I'm gonna have it for 2 days. Why did I eat the whole thing? I ate the whole thing. And then when I finished it, I was like, what am I gonna eat for the rest of this trip? I have a salad as well, but it's just like, you know, I need some meat and potatoes. And I ate my food. It was a chicken parmesan with spaghetti. Oh my gosh, it was so good. Sprouts really did their big one with that. It probably wasn't even that good, but I was starving last night. I have a showtime until 3 p.m. So we are just chilling in this hotel. I do need to go to the gym. I wanted to do some cardio today. We'll see how that goes. I am really sore. I wish I could soak in a bathtub, but this hotel doesn't have a bathtub, so yeah. I thought we were gonna have a quick time, but it looks like we're sitting here for an hour and some change, so I got me a little snack. And I'm about to tear it up. Bye. Hey y'all, so I am in Illinois right now, Moline. Yeah, Moline. I have like a 10-hour layover, so I'm about to take a bath. So it's been a long day. So yeah, I'm about to take a bath, I'm just gonna sleep because I'm tired. But I need to eat the rest of my food. But I'm really tired, so we'll see how that goes. Hey y'all, I'm back in Denver. Look at my roof. Today was very interesting. People had attitudes. People were nice. I'm ready to go home. I'll see y'all in Denver. Wow.
Jesus. Stop all that drunk driving, man.
Hey y'all, we in the cut. Where we at? We in the beauty supply store. Girl, top lip still swole, eyes still puffy. They didn't even. I just woke up. My lip be a little swollen when I wake up. We just got here. Today, what we getting? I got some rollers. I need some setting spray. And some cream for my hair and some moisturizer spray. Rollers, setting spray, cream, and spray. Girl, this hat, what you doing, Beast? You okay? You just trying to get it all up off you. Yeah, we in the beauty store for some stuff. I'm bald headed, so I don't need nothing. They got Miracle.
I want your hi.
Hey, how y'all doing?
How y'all doing?
Show them what you got, Beast. What you got? Give them a haul. Right. What that is? Come on, let's walk. Girl, that is not even heavy. It's so dramatic. Keep the drama for your mama. Literally.
This is too heavy.
Girl, it's two things in there. And you barely holding it. It's heavy for real. What happened to your muscles? I thought you was big and strong. You can't be my niece acting like that. I'm feeling very gender. Damn. Oh, you can't even use this, huh? You're gonna get rolled up if you use this. Hey, y'all. And on this episode of... My sister is really going through it. So we're just gonna stand right here and let her walk around and get her life together. Cause...
And look,
What's that?
oil.
Serum. It says scalp serum. Look. I know you can't read yet, but look. It says scalp serum. Yeah.
I don't want to.
You don't want your hat? You gotta wear your hat.
I don't want.
You gotta wear your hat or you gonna go home. If you don't wear your hat, the people are gonna take your hat. And you'll never see it again. And they're gonna eat it. It's my duty to just put a little fear into these kids. Let's bring back tall tales.
I got this. This is for your mama's hair.
What's that? That's setting spray. That's for your
Serious.
That's for your makeup. That, you know what?
This is my game. This is bubbles, hair
Rubber
bows,
band.
rubber bands, and we got
Rollers.
Ogas,
Rollers.
rollers.
That's it.
We got spray.
For the hair. For your mama hair. Don't open it.
I feel it. It's your water. Just in case.
Okay. Don't drop it hard. Just put it down softly. Hey, y'all. As you can see, I look crusted and busted. It is 3 a.m. Why am I just getting to Denver? Because delays. I'm really tired. I have a trip. I have to be back up here at 2. Yeah, I just really want to go lay down, get out these clothes, and just lay down. Hey y'all, so I am in Sprouts right now trying to get my stuff for this 4-day trip that I have. I have a 4-day trip on the CRJ. Like, the 200, are you for real? Just me by myself? I can do it. So I got my spring mix. I need to get, hold on. I got my spray mix. I need to get a dressing. And these dressings are a little on the pricey side. The ones that I usually get is this one, but it's even $8. And oh, $9, sorry. Yeah, they got no Sprouts brand. Oh, there it goes. Okay. See, so I really want like a vinaigrette. Zesty Italian. That's gonna have to do. Doing a little haul. Yogurt. This is the dressing I ended up getting. Granola. Throw my yogurt. Guacamole. Some beans. Energy drink. It's my first time get this one, so I'm excited to try that. Spring mix and a poppy. So let's go ahead and get this together and start getting ready to go. I gotta check in at like 2:30, I think. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Anyway, finally here at the hotel. The hotel room it's just a room, you know, it's not like the glitz and glam. Can't win them all. But anyway, yeah, I just got here. It's midnight. I didn't get in a shower. I was gonna do my hair, but it's given. Did I even bring my bonnet? I might have just get in the shower. I put my food in the fridge, and the fridge is not that cold. So hopefully my food is not, hopefully my food is still good tomorrow. If not, somebody owes me $25. Yesterday, y'all know I had a flight, was that yesterday? Day before, what's today? Today is Saturday now. Today is Saturday, 12 a.m. Saturday. Thursday, my flight from Atlanta to Denver was supposed to be at 9. That didn't happen. It ended up getting delayed because of thunderstorms. I ended up getting to Denver at 3 a.m. Stay with me. Got to Denver at 3 a.m. Got in a bed, and then why did I wake up at 5 o'clock? 5 a.m. I woke up at 5 a.m. I went to sleep at 3 a.m. What? So I'm scrambling around. I'm scrambling. Do to get my watch to see if I'm tripping. I'm like, is it 5 p.m.? Like, did I sleep through my trip? Like, what? Child, it's 5 a.m. I went to sleep for 2 hours and woke up at 5 a.m. Text my man, and I was like, I'm losing it. I told him that I'm losing my mind. I thought I was losing my mind for real. Like, why would I wake up at 5 a.m.? Went back to sleep. Knocked out. Woke up sweating. Why am I sweating? I don't know. But it's upsetting me and my homegirl because we feel like, dang, I'm clean and out and woke up sweaty. Now I gotta take a shower. Then I ended up going to Sprouts. This is all yesterday now. Just stay with me. I went to Sprouts. Girl, tell me why it was a deer following me back from Sprouts. The dude was looking at me and I was looking at her. And she inching forward and I'm inching away. Bambi, you cannot come live with me. Like, I already got 11 kids. I can't take care of a deer. And then, you know, they're going to bring their homegirls and... Yeah, it's been a day. I had 3 legs today. 3 trips. And now I am here at this hotel. I really need to take a shower, but my legs hurt so bad. I just want to lay. But I just feel dirty, you know? You know how you just feel dirty? Yeah. But I need to get in the shower. I'm almost out here tomorrow. I got 3 more days of work. And then I can go home. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. This is dedicated to the lovers in you. Bye, y'all. Good night. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Oh, I got my new gauges in, by the way. They thought it was going to stop me from being wet. Me? Please. Good night. Hey y'all, so I am in Little Rock right now. The hotel is really cute. I'm starving. This hotel, there's no microwaves in this hotel room. I have a fridge, but there's no microwave. Luckily, I just have tuna packets and salad, but I wanted to heat up my beans because I got beans to go with my salad, but it's cool. I'll just throw them on the salad, call it a day. This room does have a bathtub, so I'm probably about to take a bath because I really want to do that. And then I'm just gonna chill out. I have an early show time tomorrow. It's almost 10 o'clock, so get as much rest as I can, I suppose. But today was really good. I had 2 legs today. The passengers, they were cute. They were real nice, friendly. And yeah, that's it. I'm about to chill. I also got a little couch over there. Isn't that so sweet? I got this big bed to myself. I miss my man. But I'm going to wake up here. Mother's Day. Shout out to all the mothers. Appreciate all the mothers. Shout out to my great-grandma. Both my great-grandmas. Shout out to them. Shout out to my dear. Rest her soul. I love her. I think about her quite often. Shout out to my grandma. She's my great grandma, but rest her soul. She made it to 100 years. Love her down. Shout out to my grandma. That's my girl. I love her. Like, I love her. Shout out to my mama. That's my girl. I wouldn't be here without her. Who else I want to give a shout out to? Shout out to my grandmama. She wasn't really my grandma, but she was my great aunt. But I mean, she acted like a grandma, you know? Shout out to her. Rest her soul. I just got sad a little bit. Let me go get in the shower. Shout out to me, cause I'm a mother. Shout out to the mamas, the grandmas, the new moms, the moms that have lost their kids. Shout out to all of us. We're amazing every day, each and every day. We do the damn thing. So, I love y'all. Good night. And another thing, make sure y'all read. Because I'm like, why this thing not lighting up? Why isn't it lighting up? Why is it not lighting up? Because this is not the thermostat, boo. This isn't it. It's over there. So yeah, just make sure y'all read. Because it's fundamental. Hey y'all, it's me again. So tired, but let me give y'all a quick room tour. She's cute. She's equipped. She's chocolate. Yeah, your microwave. Yeah, this is real cute. The view is giving. What is it giving? What is it gonna play? Okay. Okay, it's coin laundry. But yeah, it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I'm about to get me some food because it's Mother's Day. Like, why not? I'll talk to y'all later. I'm not feeling too well. That's neither here nor there, but I need to get up out of these clothes.